Hello YouTube, thanks for visiting Cook the World channel. Today we are going to show flavored ground chicken. Here are ingredients: sake, mirin, grated ginger, soy sauce, and ground chicken. You can buy sake and mirin at a Target online. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it up. Add ground chicken, flake the meat, and add salt and pepper. Okay, let's add 2 tablespoons of sake. Add 2 tablespoons of mirin. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And add grated ginger. Okay, that's it. Easy, right? You can save it in the container and freeze it, so you can eat it whenever you like. This is a great homemade frozen meal. It just needs microwave to get it ready in a minute. Just put on a steamed rice, add chopped green onion if you like. See? It is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. We are going to upload many simple, quick, easy Japanese food videos. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and give thumbs up. Make sure to leave comments as well. I'll see you in the next cook. Bye!